Sources of noise pollution. Noise pollution is the annoying and stressful sound that is capable of damaging the ears. It is the result of numerous sources. The number of auto vehicles is fast increasing in the modern world. Traffic noise is particularly severe in the urban areas. Fast running trains also cause noise pollution along the rail tracks. Taking off and landing of aeroplanes cause unbearable noise pollution. In rural areas, farm machines make a lot of noise. During festivals, use of firecrackers add to the noise pollution. The use of loudspeakers in the city are also a source of noise pollution. At sea, the engines of ships and supertankers create a lot of noise. Radiation pollution. Pollution caused by radioactive material is called radiation pollution. It is caused by radioactive waste. It is caused by radioactive waste which contains radioactive material. The radioactive material is generated mainly by the nuclear reactors. It is very hazardous in nature and can be deadly to the people and environment. The radioactive pollutants remain active for thousands of years. Several industries also generate hazardous waste that remain active for sufficiently long time. Transportation and storing of this waste is a big problem and pose serious health and environmental hazards. People who work at such places remain exposed to the radiation which can severely damage the human body. Nuclear power Nuclear power plants are increasing in number as a source of power. They use uranium as a raw material. Mining of uranium and other radioactive materials release radiation, a very harmful gas. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, radon is responsible for over 20,000 deaths annually in the United States and is the second leading cause of lung cancer after cigarette smoking. Further, when uranium is used in the nuclear plant, a lot of waste is generated. This waste is the biggest source of radiation pollution because this waste remains radioactive for thousands of years. Therefore, it can be treated as a normal waste. Therefore, it cannot be treated as a normal waste. It has to be dumped at such a place where it cannot damage the environment. A variety of sites are being discussed the world over by the scientists for the safe disposal of nuclear waste. Nuclear weapons also release a lot of radiation which are more harmful to the environment than the nuclear waste. When an atomic bomb explodes, the fireball creates heat and shock waves that destroy the structures in its vicinity. The rising fireball sucks up debris to form a mushroom cloud. X-rays. X-rays can be very harmful and can easily kill living cells. If dosed in high quantities, the exposure of body cells and tissues to large doses of X-ray radiation, which have a very high ionizing power, can result in DNA abnormalities that may further lead to cancer and birth defects. Nowadays, even though safer low energy X-rays are being used in hospitals, dentists' offices, and laboratories, lead shielding is still recommended to prevent prolonged exposure to these harmful radiations.